Okay, so we're gonna go through some practical examples, but I want you to remember this: your Apple development certificate is basically used so that you can run your application on your device and test them using test code. So instead of the simulator, you run them on your device that's connected to your machine. Okay. Your distribution certificate, that's for putting them into the App Store. Okay. This is just a reminder. Okay. So these are the steps we're going to go through for creating certificates. Okay. I want you guys to remember this. So I'm going to exit out of this and I'm going to go to my appledeveloper.com. Okay. Oh, geez. I have to move this out of the way. So, okay, now I'm gonna move this back. Of course, I log in automatically. You go to certificates, and I already have a distribution certificate. I'm going to create a developer certificate. So I'm going to say, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pause real quick. And the reason why I did that is because I wanted to clear my desk of other files. So we're going to go here. I'm going to show you why. We're going to create a distribution certificate because we already have an iOS developer certificate, and we can check this right here. And there we go, distribution certificate. So let's go ahead and create a developer certificate, okay? And this is so we can work on our machine and deploy stuff to our devices. Development, now I need to choose file. That means I have to create a CSR. Go here to keychain access. We already covered these steps right here. Request certificate from authority right there. Required information. We don't need an email for this, for that, save to disk. Yeah, it's not required if you save to disk, right? So I'm going to save this to my desktop certificate signing request, right? Now show in Finder, right? There it is. So my desktop, but some I don't even really need that. Let me go back here, choose file, go to my desktop. The reason why I moved other stuff out of the way because I didn't want to get confused with a particular. I didn't want to confuse these CSR files. Okay, so upload this certificate signing request. Okay, right there, download. Now to register it, I go here and double click. And now I have my distribution certificate installed. And that is it. Okay. So you do the same steps for both the Apple development certificate and the distribution certificate. And you need to remember that you use these certificates multiple times. Okay. Jesus. The way this new iOS operating system responds, it's not, I don't like it. This responds on January 13th, 2024. Okay. All right. And that's it. On to the next.